How you doing? This is Rick at Phoenix Prime Motorcycles over here in Mesa, Arizona. Hey, I'm just going to go through a quick little thing here, just kind of telling because I get a lot of people asking me stuff again, and this one of those kind of questions I want to answer. Yes, we do make custom exhausts for our all the bikes we have in stock. There's two varieties. They come in Aero and they come in Vance Hines. On our classics and all our cruisers, you're going to go with Vance Hines. Okay, it's the same looking exhaust as the bike stock one in. Only difference is the sound, and you get a Vance Hines sticker. When you go to our Tigers and our street bikes, you're going to go with Aero exhaust. As you can see, same style of bike, same kind of exhaust, but they have Aero stickers and of course the different sounds. We do carry them, like I said, all the bikes, the same exhaust, but only Vance Hines and Aeros for certain models. And like I said, it's ready to go. I want to show you what they sound like just for the heck of it, because this is what everyone will always ask me, because stock is fine, which sounds great, but most guys want some rumble to it. So I want to show you what they sound like. So give me just a second here. Okay. These are your Aero exhausts. As you can see, that's a kind of exhaust that says, I'm ready to go at an idle. So it sounds like you're just flying. So imagine if it sounds that good, how it is when you actually put some power to it. All right, that's your Aero exhaust. And then, now you can look at your Vance Hines. Another nice sounding pipes. Stock, I'm impressed with both stock exhausts that you have on these bikes. But if you want some rumble and you want that sound, this is what you're going to get when you go to different custom exhausts. Nice little rumble. You get just enough rumble where you can talk with people without too aggressive. But when you actually ride in, you get that more aggressive rumble, and as you go with a steady pace of sound, it starts getting that rumble to it. And that's the difference really between stock and custom exhaust. But no matter how you do it with any exhaust you're going to put on these bikes, and we do it here, we install them, we have everything ready to go. You have to calibrate them. So that means these come with a calibration cards that we actually hook up to the computer, reprograms the sensors to say, hey, I got some good exhaust on, and it makes the bike react to the exhaust. If you do not do that, your bike is going to run bad, and it's going to run crappy. And you're going to say, I don't understand why. That's because you have to have the bike mapped, no matter what exhaust you go with. So, again, we carry Aero and the Vance Hines. We install them here every single day. Pick what you want, like I said, whatever kind you want, and we'll go ahead and make it happen for you. Again, I'm Rick over at Phoenix Prime in Mesa. You guys have a wonderful day and ride safe.